Assalamualaikum and hi to Professor Madya, Dr. Muhammad Zulkifli bin Abdullah and fellow classmates. Today, our group will be presenting our case study for BTM532 Management of Digital Transformation. For this project, we selected Zakaria Diamond Sendirian Berhad, also known as Emas Zakaria, as our case study. Our study focuses on how the company has implemented the Tech system to support its digital transformation and improve its daily business operations. Throughout this presentation, we will discuss the company's digital transformation journey, the implementation of the Tech system, the challenges encountered, stakeholder engagement, and the overall impact of the system on the business performance. Without further ado, let's begin our presentation. Before we proceed, I would like to introduce our project team member. This presentation was prepared by Aisyah binti Muhammad Hassan, Izati Nur Akma binti Samrin, Nur Ayu Sarfina binti Zarif, Nur Ain Syafiqah binti Muhammad Zahir, and Nur Azfira Izati binti Muhammad Nizam. Each member contributed to different aspects of this project, including research, data collection, report writing, analysis, and presentation preparation. Throughout teamwork and collaboration, we successfully completed this case study. Now, I would like to begin with the introduction of our case study. Firstly, let me introduce the company selected for our case study. Zakaria Diamond Sendirian Berhad, or Emas Zakaria, is a Malaysian company operating in the retail jewellery industry. The company specializes in the sale of 916 gold jewellery, including rings, necklaces, bracelets, bangles, earrings, and other jewellery collections. Besides selling jewellery, Emas Zakaria also provides services such as gold buyback, trade-in, jewellery cleaning, and customer consultation. These services help the company build strong relationships with customers while maintaining high-quality service. The company is recognized by its slogan, Syurga Emas untuk Kaum Hawa, reflecting its commitments to provide quality gold jewellery and a comfortable shopping experience for its customer. As the business continued to grow, Emas Zakaria has adopted the Tech system, an integrated business management system that supports important business functions such as sales transaction, inventory management, finance, customers records, and business reporting. The implementation of this system has helped the company improve operational efficiency, reduce manual processes, and support better business decision-making throughout accurate and real-time information. Therefore, the main objective of our study is to analyze how the system supports digital transformation and enhances the overall business operations at Emas Zakaria. With that, I would like to invite my group member to continue with Part A, Understanding the Digital Transformation. Thank you.
Hi everyone, for part A, I will explain the current system, process and workflow used by Emas Zakaria. Emas Zakaria uses the Sankyu system, which is an integrated business management system. It combines different departments such as operation, finance, human resource and stock management into one platform. The main modules include point of sales, POS, finance, customer service and stock management, human resource and reporting. The business workflow starts when a customer makes a purchase. Next, the transaction is recorded through the POS system. Then inventory is updated automatically. After that, the information is sent to the finance department and all records are stored for management monitoring and reporting. The system helps the company improve operation efficiency, enhance communication between departments, centralize business information, and provide real-time monitoring and reporting. Next, I will explain the role of leadership in digital transformation. The management team at Emas Zakaria plays an important role by implementing the Sankyu system across the operation, finance, and human resource department. They also encourage employees to use digital system in their daily work, making business process and more organized and efficient. Stronger leadership improve collaboration between departments, support the adoption of new technology, and help employees adapt to digital changes. As a result, the company can make fast decisions, improve operational efficiency, monitor business for performance in real time, and provide better customer service. In conclusion, effective leadership is one of the key factors that drive successful digital transformation and help Emas Zakaria improve its overall business performance.
Hi, my name is Nur Ainshafika binti Muhammad Zahid and my student ID is 2024808102. Today, I will be presenting Part B, Digitally Transforming the Organization, focusing on Kedai Emas Zakaria and the implementation of the Sankyu system. In this presentation, I will discuss three main aspects: the external factor driving digital transformation, the challenge faced during the transformation process, and the internal factor that motivate the organization to embrace digital technology. Firstly, I will explain the external factors that encourage Kedai Emas Zakaria to adopt digital transformation. The first factor is changing expectation of customers. Nowadays, customers expect faster transaction, accurate product information, and more convenient shopping experience. To meet this expectation, Kedai Emas Zakaria implemented the Sankyu system to improve customer service and provide a smoother purchasing process. The second factor is increasing competition in the jewelry industry. Many jewelry retailers have already adopted digital technologies to improve their operation and customer experience. Therefore, Kedai Emas Zakaria needs to modernize its business processes in order to remain competitive and maintain customer satisfaction. Another important factor is inventory security. Since jewelry products are highly valuable, accurate stock management is essential. By integrating the Sankyu system with barcode or RFID technology, the company can monitor inventory more effectively, reduce human errors, and minimize the risk of stock losses. Next, I will explain the challenge faced during the digital transformation process. The first challenge is employee adaptation. Some employees were more familiar with manual processes, so they needed time and proper training to adapt to the new digital system. The second challenge is financial investment. Implementing the Sankyu system requires investment in software, hardware, barcode device, and employee training. Therefore, the company must carefully manage its budget to ensure the investment provides long-term benefit. Another challenge is data accuracy and system integration. All sales, customer, and inventory information must be entered accurately into the system. Any errors may affect business reports and inventory records. Therefore, the company needs proper procedures and continuous monitoring to ensure the system operates efficiently. Lastly, I will explain the internal factor that motivate Kedai Emas Zakaria to adopt digital transformation. The first factor is the company's commitment to improving operational efficiency. The management aims to reduce manual works, speed up business operation, and improve the accuracy of daily activities. The Sankyu system helps automate many routine tasks, making operational more efficient. The second factor is strengthening inventory management. The system provides real-time inventory monitoring, making stock control more accurate and helping the company detect discrepancies more quickly. Another important factor is better decision making. With real-time sales and inventory data, management can make faster and more informed business decisions that support business growth. Finally, Kedai Emas Zakaria also focuses on employee development. Continuous training helps employees improve their digital skill and increase their confidence in using the Sankyu system. This supports the company's long-term goal of achieving sustainable growth and maintaining its competitive advantage. In conclusion, the implementation of the Sankyu system has enabled Kedai Emas Zakaria to improve operational efficiency, strengthen inventory management, and enhance customer satisfaction.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Asha binti Mama Hassan. Now let's move on to the next part, which is the solution to overcome the challenge in our digital transformation journey. First, we will provide the continuous employee training. We conduct regular workshop and monitoring the session to improve our employee digital skill and boost their confidence. This helps ensure a smooth adaptation to the new system. Second, we use phased digital implementation. Instead of changing everything at once, we introduce digital tools step by step. We focus on the priority business need the first to reduce implementation costs and minimize the business risk. Third, to improve data accuracy, we follow the strict standard operational procedure SOP. We double check and cross-verify inventory data regularly and conduct routine data analysis and audit. Lastly, we strengthen the system security. This involves updating software regularly, conducting vulnerability assessment, limiting system access to authority staff only, and performing regular data backup. Next, let's look at our plan and action to successful transaction in digital transformation. We have 4 key focus areas. First, we focus on developing employee capability. This is done by providing continuous training and workshop to improve digital knowledge. Second, we will implement a new point of sale POS system. This system centralize sale, inventory, and reporting, which optimize daily business operation and reduce human error in transaction record. Third, we aim to strengthen customer experience. We will expand our digital marketing on platform like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and WhatsApp business. We will also offer the various electronic payment option and improve our communication and customer service. Finally, we will improve inventory management. This allows us to track inventory level in real time accurately and stock shortage and avoid stock conflict.
For my part, I will explain part C, which is acting and engaging. In the digital transformation process at Kedai Emas Zakaria, using Sankyu system, several stakeholders are involved. The main stakeholders are the owner or management, employees, customers, suppliers, and Sankyu Teach as the system vendor. Firstly, the owner and management play an important role because they are responsible for monitoring the business performance. Through Sankyu system, they can check sales record, stock movement, and overall business reports more easily. This helps them to make a better decision based on accurate information. Secondly, the employees and cashier are directly involved because they use the system in daily operation. They use it to record sales, check stock, update customer records, and manage product information. Because of this, staff need proper training so they can use the system correctly. Next, customers also benefit from this digital transformation. With the system, the transaction process becomes faster and more organized. Customer can receive better service because the staff can manage sales and customer information more efficiently. Besides that, suppliers are also part of the process because stock and inventory updates need to be recorded properly when new items arrive. This helps the company to maintain accurate stock records. Lastly, Thank Teach as the vendor provide support such as training, maintenance, troubleshooting, and system updates. This support are important to make sure the system can run smoothly. Overall, successful digital transformation require cooperation from all stakeholders. Without their involvement, the system may not be used effectively. Next, I will explain part D, which is assessing success. The success of digital transformation at Kedai Emas Zakaria can be measured through several improvements after using Thank You system. First, the system helps to create faster sales transaction. Staff can record purchases and generate receipt more quickly, so customers do not have to wait too long. Second, the system improves inventory accuracy. This is very important for a gold business because each item has different details, such as weight, price, design, and product code. With this system, the company can track stock movement more systematically. Third, Thank You system helps to reduce manual errors. When records are done manually, there is a higher risk of mistake, such as wrong product details or missing stock records. A digital system helps make the record more accurate and easy to check. Fourth, the system supports efficient report generation. The company can generate daily and monthly sales report, stock reports, and customer records more easily. This helps management monitor business performance. Fifth, it improves employee productivity because staff can complete their daily tasks faster with fewer mistakes. Lastly, it helps improve customer service because the transaction process becomes smoother and more organized. The success can be measured through daily and monthly sales report, stock movement, remaining inventory, and feedback from employees and customers. Continuous monitoring is important to make sure the system remains effective.
Lastly, I would like to conclude our presentation by sharing our overall opinion, the challenges, and the conclusion of this case study. Based on our findings, we believe that the implementation of the Sankyu Touch system has significantly improved the overall operations of Emas Zakaria. The system has made business process more organized and efficient by integrating sales transactions, inventory management, customer information, finance, and reporting into one platform. As a result, employees are able to perform their tasks more efficiently, reduce manual errors, and improve productivity. At the same time, customers also benefit from faster transactions and more organized service experience. However, every digital transformation comes with its own challenges. Employees need sufficient time and training to adapt to the new system, while occasional technical issues may affect daily operations. Therefore, continuous technical support, regular system maintenance, and ongoing employee training are essential to ensure the system continues to perform effectively. In conclusion, our study shows that the Sankyu Tech system has played an important role in supporting digital transformation at Emas Zakaria. It has improved operational efficiency, enhanced customer service, and strengthened the company's ability to remain competitive in today's retail jewelry industry. Overall, this case study demonstrates that successful digital transformation is not only about implementing new technology, but also about effective management, employee readiness, and continuous improvements. Thank you for your attention. We sincerely appreciate your time regarding our presentation.